Hey all my beautiful people, it is Capri back with my last wig video of 2018. Y'all, this year is almost over. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me for a whole nother year. I love you guys and appreciate you guys, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. The wig today is from SoGoodBB.com. my last couple wigs have been from them and they're really amazing. This one is actually a model wig. It's a lace front wig with invisible lace from ear to ear, and that I will say is 100% true. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I feel like I should have ball cap methoded, if that even makes sense. Did the ball cap method on this wig, because like, I don't know if y'all can see, my cap starts back here, but it's like melting into my skin, like in the front. So that's just a little FYI for if y'all do decide to get this wig. You're gonna want to, or not even wear like a cap at all, either or, because it looks good right here. I probably should have just, the cap slid back and I don't know what happened, but I tried to put some powder on it, didn't really help. Excuse the little crusties on my face. Y'all know that yellow container of Got to Be glue is just atrocious sometimes. So yeah, this is model lace front wig. You can curl her or heat her up to 400 degrees. She is in the style Pearl, in the color, what's the color? PB27, which is just this nice black 1B. And then it gets to the 27 just on like the tips, which I thought was really cute. I don't have any wigs that really do that. So for me, it was A1, like I loved it. And I'll turn around so that y'all can see the color on the back. This wig is super long. Unstretched is already to my lower back, and stretched like it comes to like the middle of my butt. So it's extremely long. So if you're not into long wigs, I would not suggest this. Or if you're not into hair that's gonna get really big, because it's gotten bigger since I even took it out the pack, because I was like moving it around and manipulating it just so that I can make some baby hairs, which I'm not too good at. Sorry y'all. It's gotten bigger and it's gonna get some tangling. Like, you're gonna get tangling. It just is what it is. As far as shedding, you're gonna get some of that too. Not too much, nothing crazy or anything like that, but the tangling is going to be an issue, as well as it just getting super poofy and big. Another issue that I have with this wig is the lack of parting space. Like, y'all did good, model, like y'all did really good on having, you know, the lace be invisible and blend into your scalp seamlessly. Y'all got that down. But as far as parting, we need some more of it. Like, we're gonna need more. Like, this wig is bomb, but as far as style wise, it's bomb. But literally, this is where how much you're gonna get. That's why you see this little part, and honestly I didn't even want that part, but it just kind of came, like, did it on its own. I had it all like just pushed to one side, like as in a pullover method. So this wig is really good for like the pullover method, but you are going to have to customize the lace, because it will look really squarish if you don't. Like, you'll have a box head, so you don't want that. So you're gonna have to create some kind of baby hairs. Like I said, I'm not the best at customizing lace fronts since I don't really do it that much, but I will start getting into it because I do want to get better at it. So yeah, I'm sorry for the little crusties, y'all. This got to be glue. I'm gonna pull all the hair forward so that y'all can see, but like I said, like the nape area is the worst, y'all. Like, it's tangling up so bad. So this is all the hair. I love that little splash of color in there. Y'all know I love me a 1B, so a 1B with a little splash of color is just everything for me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the wig, Miss Pearl. And let's start talking about it down below in the comment section. Please hit the bell to be updated on my new videos, and just subscribe, y'all. A safe and happy new year. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope that you guys continue to stick around with me through the new year 2019. Let's go. I'll see you guys in my next video.